With temperatures starting to drop throughout the season, people are using more burning appliances like fireplaces and stoves. And if properly not maintained, you could be putting yourself in danger. Carbon monoxide can collect in homes in many different ways, such as block chimney, a cracked heater system, a wooden stove, small engines, and any other gas, oil, or coal burning appliances.
The biggest thing that we want people to do if their alarm does go off is close the doors and windows and get out, because normally they open the door and by the time we get there it's all vented out, so there's no trace of the carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide can be hard to detect. It has no odor or smell, and some symptoms can mimic a cold or other illness. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include headache, dizziness, weakness, upset stomach, vomiting, chest pain, and confusion.
If the alarm goes off, if you've been having headaches or you feel sick, that's usually a sign of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is odorless and colorless, so you can't see or smell it.
Some tips for keeping you and your family safe include making sure any fuel burning system, be it gas, wood, or coal, is serviced every year. Never leave your car running in an enclosed or partially enclosed space, like a garage. Never run a generator or any gas-powered engine inside a home or within 20 feet of an open window or vent. And make sure you have carbon monoxide detectors properly installed in your home.
Yes, definitely put in a CO detector. They will save a life. And if you do get sick or have headaches, that is, like I said, it's a good indication of carbon monoxide poisoning. So.
The Broadwater Volunteer Fire Department reminds you, if you have a carbon monoxide detector, to change or replace the battery every fall or spring. In Broadwater, Ryan Berg, MTN News.